Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get free stuff on TEMU. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our TEMU app right here, and once we open our TEMU app, the next thing we need to do is to click your profile section on the bottom of the screen, and after that click the settings icon on the top right corner dot. After clicking it, click Country and Region. After that, look for United States and switch. After that, click your profile section again on the bottom of the screen and then click Earn Credits and Free Gifts. After you click it, you will see a bunch of promo that you can do for free. And after that you're now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.